na-discriminate?
Never. Never, promise.
Never? Pagkatapos ng mag-aral, pwede ka mag-work dito? If the company.
Pero hindi diplomas.
Yung araw po mga amigo, nandito po tayo kasama si Tanya, si Nice, Kuya Belgian, si Kuya Raul. At kanina natutuwa ako kasi nagtatagalog ako kanina sa kanila. Naiintindihan nila pero may mga salitang tayo na Tagalog. Ay may salita tayo na naiintindihan nila. By example ko po sa inyo, natawa nga ako kasi naiintindihan din ni Tanya yun. Ayun. Tanya, ano yung ano? Ano yung jowa?
Boyfriend or girlfriend.
Alam niyo jowa? Saan mo naririnig yun? Doon dito escuchar. Jowa.
School.
Sa school?
I have my friends at school.
Oo.
YBP.
Ano na?
My friends at school, they teach me these things.
Yun. Yung jowa. Ano pa? Ano yung ano? Yung,
That's my friends.
puro Pilipino?
Yes, all of them Filipinos.
Mga friends si Tanya, Pilipino.
YBP.
Ano?
What?
Y?
Our group is YB.
Ay, what is YB? YB? Ano yung YB? Young boy? Ano yung YB?
Ayos na. YB?
Ano yung YB?
I don't remember eh.
Sa kanila mo narinig yung jowa? Jowa, yung ganun jowa. Jowa, ibig sabihin no boyfriend. Ay, boyfriend.
Walang jowa.
Walang jowa. Sa kanila mo narinig yun? Tu escuchar ahí.
See, they say jowa is boyfriend.
Ano pa?
Eh,
Sample.
my classmates are jowas.
Jowas? Yung ano, yung walang pera.
Ano mo dinner?
Datung, alam mo yung datung? Datung.
What's that?
Datung pera.
What's that?
Datung. Same with jowa. Money. Datung.
Really?
Sabi mo nga datung. Sabihin mo, datung. Sabi mo nga datung. Hablar. Hablar datung.
Datung.
Datung pera. Turuan nga natin si Tanya. Ano pa yung mga tinuro sa'yo?
Kung iba mo sa lesson.
Tanya, pag sa school, ano usapan nyo? Mga classmate mo? Tagalog? English?
Yeah, they speak Tagalog. When I don't understand, say guys, English. And yeah, they speak the two.
Kaya mabilis ka natuto? Kaya mabilis natuto? Rapido?
Yeah, but sometimes they explain me, they translate like, guys, Tanya is here.
Ano na?
That. Sometimes they translate English.
Paano?
Guys, Tanya is here, so someone will translate.
May translate.
So we can speak together. Yes.
Ano pa? Pero hindi ka naman hindi ka naman na-discriminate.
Never, promise.
Never. Sa school mo, sa buong classroom mo, okay naman kayo mga classmate mo.
I'm the only foreigner in my class. I know.
Ano?
I'm the only foreigner in.
You're the only foreigner. Ikaw lang ang foreigner sa classmate, sa klase mo.
Because I have two classes, diba? I have first year and second year.
Bakit dalawa?
Kasi I'm irregular.
Irregular ka.
Yes.
Oo.
Then, and second.
Bakit ka nag-irregular?
Because last I start in half of the year. That's why.
Nag-start ka half of the year.
Diba it's sem? So I start first year, second sem.
Wait, yung pinag-aralan mo sa Espanya, na-credit dito? Nakuha?
I did not study in Espanya.
Dito lang?
Yes.
Paano nag-irregular?
From Equatorial Guinea to Philippines. I start studying. I did not. When I studied in Spain, I was
Bata
4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
From Equatorial Guinea, to here, no, dito.
Yes.
Tapos, may na-credit, bakit naging irregular? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Because I start this year on February. I start in the second sem. I start first year, second sem. So I have to finish my curriculum of first year. Right? So now we have on August we have the new school year, diba? So I have to take first year, first sem. Because I did not take first year, first sem. So I have classmates from second year and
first
from
year.
first year, yeah. And I have one subject of second sem. Second year. Now, next sem, I will be in second year officially. But still taking subject of first year. One subject only.
Yung natitira na lang, isa na lang. Tapos sa susunod na school year, officially, second year college ka na. Pero may natira kang isang subject pa. Anong subject yun? Palta?
Purpose on civilization. Because it's purpose on civilization 1 and 2.
Okay, yung
Last sem, I cannot take it because it's 2. I did not take 1, diba?
Oo.
So this sem, I took 1. Diba?
Oo.
Now, I will take 2.
Okay, tapos
Next sem.
second year college ka na nun. Tapos 2 years pa. After ng 2 years pa, nag-graduate ka na. Paano sa graduation, pupunta sila dito? Parents mo?
Yes, maybe.
Maybe.
You will come?
Ha?
You will come.
Yeah. I will. Why?
PICC.
Ha? KCC?
Yes.
O sa graduation, pupunta raw ako sa yung parents mo?
Maybe.
Not sure.
Not sure.
Yeah, expensive eh, ticket.
But I think they will, because when my sister got graduated, my mom went there.
Sister mo saan?
Sa Senegal.
Ah.
She's done already,
Finish na.
Yeah, she will go back tomorrow. To
Yung kapatid pala ni Senegal. Anong course nun?
Don't know. Supply chain.
What is that?
Don't know. Like airports, ports.
Logistic.
Exactamente, muy bien.
Logistic daw.
Ese fue el listo.
Alam ni Kuya Beljo, logistic.
Yeah.
Gumraduate na yung kapatid ni Tanya sa Senegal, tapos logistic. Tapos pumunta rin nanay tatay niya.
Study transport,
Oo.
transport and logistics.
Pagkatapos nun, saan siya mag-work?
Ano?
Doon de trabaja.
Na ahora va a ir a Guinea a ver si hay trabajo.
If there's at work.
If there is not, maybe she can start here working in a call center.
Call center, yes.
Que no queda de otra.
Pumunta ba siya rito? She will come here?
If she wants.
She wants?
If she wants.
Pagkatapos mo ng work, pagkatapos ng mag-aral, pwede ka mag-work dito?
Oo,
if the company-
pero hindi diplomacy.
Hindi diplomacy.
Or BPO lang.
If BPO, okay lang na sa'yo. Mas okay lang eh. Kasi BPO
Yeah.
malakas yung sahod.
I
Tanya
think
niya,
money.
marunong ka mag-Tagalog, marunong ka mag-English, marunong ka mag-Spanish, Frances,
French, yes.
French. Pwede ka.
Pwede.
Ang minsan ang sahod na 150,000, 1.5 million, mga ganun. Lalo na pag marunong ka mag-Spanish o English.
Actually now I can work.
Pwede ka mag-work.
Yeah, but you know, it's not allowed. So I
Depende.
don't want problem with immigration.
Oo.
If immigration know that, I will be reported.
Oo nga eh.
I don't want problems.
Pero pwede ka na mag-work eh kung tutusin. Kasi ano eh.
Yes. Without contract, if you want work, no
Pero
problem.
nag-try ka mag-apply.
Ano?
Did you try to...
I can. Yeah, I try once. I was in vacation, but they said if you have student visa, you cannot work.
work.
That's the thing.
Sayang.
And you should follow because if the immigration
Oo
knows,
nga,
they
eh.
will report you.
Dahil kasi in other country, Tanya, sa ibang bansa pwedeng magtrabaho part-time.
Oh, it
Oo.
depends.
Depends, eh.
España,
But you
Francia.
can work here, but you need to escapar cuando in immigration.
No escapar?
Ha? Escapar na.
Bakit
Por
mag-i-escapar?
ejemplo, trabajar en restaurante.
No.
Cuando hay
Policía.
Pwede nga siya sa ano.
Pwede escapar din tama.
Pwede siya sa ano, sa
Wala ka
BPO.
jefe.
Call center.
Pero tú sabes una cosa, aquí en Filipinas,
Oh.
no te molestan en la calle papeles, eh.
No.
Como en Guinea.
No, Guinea.
No puedo siya kada in the restaurante.
Never.
Never.
puedes-
No one will ask you about your password.
Tú puedes estar aquí, you can be here even 10 years.
Even 10 years, no, there's a
So
problem.
one day you will come through them, te van a coger. See? That's better.
That's better.
I can be here without my passport. They don't care.
They don't care.
Okay. One day I will want to go back, no? Me van a coger.